Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link Hulu account with Disney Plus bundle, pro method step by step clearly. To link your Hulu account with the Disney Plus bundle, start by ensuring you have an active Hulu subscription. Visit the official Hulu website or open the Hulu app on your device. Log in to your Hulu account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the account option in the drop-down menu. In the Account section, locate the Manage Subscription option. Click on the Manage Subscription link to review your current plan. After subscribing, you'll need to access your Disney Plus account. Open the Disney Plus app or navigate to the Disney Plus website. Log in to your Disney Plus account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account section. In the Account section, find the option to link your Hulu account. Follow the instructions provided to link your Hulu account. This may involve confirming your Hulu account details or allowing access between the two services. Once successfully linked, you'll have access to all bundle services seamlessly. Ensure to verify that both services are functioning correctly. Enjoy your streaming experience with the Hulu and Disney Plus bundle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.